If you're looking for the best automotive paint gun, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we've put together a list of the top 5 automotive paint guns that deliver outstanding performance, smooth finishes, and reliable build quality. We considered spray pattern quality, ease of use, durability, price, brand reputation, and real-world user feedback to make sure this list covers both professional painters and serious DIY enthusiasts. All of the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Now, let's jump straight into the list. Number 1, DevilBiss GTI Pro Light HVLP Spray Gun. The DevilBiss GTI Pro Light HVLP spray gun from DevilBiss is widely regarded as one of the best automotive paint guns on the market. This spray gun is known for its exceptional atomization, lightweight design, and consistent spray pattern, making it a favorite among professional body shop painters. The ergonomic build reduces hand fatigue, which is a huge plus during long paint sessions. It's also extremely versatile, performing well with base coats, clear coats, and even specialty finishes. While it sits on the higher end of the price spectrum, the performance and reliability more than justify the investment. Number 2, SATA Jet 1000 RP HVLP Spray Gun. Next up is the SATA Jet 1000 RP HVLP Spray Gun from SATA. This spray gun is known for its precision control and flawless finish, making it ideal for professional automotive painting. The RP technology delivers excellent material transfer efficiency while maintaining high speed and accuracy. Painters love how consistent the spray pattern is, especially when working on larger panels. The downside is the price, as it's clearly aimed at professionals, but if quality is your top priority, this gun is hard to beat. Number 3, Iwata LPH 400 LVLP Spray Gun. At number 3, we have the Iwata LPH 400 LVLP Spray Gun from Iwata. This model is famous for its superior atomization and efficiency, even at lower air pressure. That makes it perfect for painters working with smaller compressors or looking to reduce overspray. It's an excellent choice for automotive refinishing, custom paint jobs, and even industrial applications. While it may take some time to dial in the settings, once tuned properly, it delivers an incredibly smooth and professional finish. Number 4, Anest Iwata W400 HVLP Spray Gun. Coming in at number 4 is the Anest Iwata W400 HVLP spray gun from Anest Iwata. This spray gun offers excellent control, uniform spray distribution, and high transfer efficiency. It's popular among both professional painters and experienced hobbyists due to its consistent performance and high-quality construction. It performs especially well with base coats and clear coats, producing a clean and even finish. The price is mid to high range, but the durability and results make it a solid long-term investment. Number 5, DevilBiss GTI Pro Light plus HVLP Spray Gun. Rounding out our list is the DevilBiss GTI Pro Light plus HVLP Spray Gun, another strong option from DevilBiss. This model is a more affordable alternative to the standard Pro Light while still delivering impressive performance. It's easy to set up, comfortable to use, and produces a smooth spray pattern suitable for both professionals and DIY users. While it may not have all the premium refinements of higher-end models, it offers excellent value for money and reliable results for most automotive painting projects. That's all for today's video on the best automotive paint guns. All product links are listed in the description below for your convenience. We upload new videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.